Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to play some more AFK Arena. So, you probably didn't know this, but I've been getting really good. Let's just say that. I have or should I say, really good heroes. My best one is level 111. And right now, I'm going to be just doing random stuff, really. First we're gonna go in here, grab all the stuff that we can have, which I mean the free stuff. So you probably don't know this once again, but I'll just put it on right now. Hey, I got these new headphones, and this is actually a mic. So you could probably hear me better. Probably need to set stuff up before I actually do stuff, but it's a mic and it's pretty good. So we're just gonna do random stuff that I usually do and stuff like that. No, original stuff. I don't know. Oh, nice. Gift card. Oh, I know this, so that I barely get anything to this. I'm thinking about saving up for the twins, but to be honest, how do I get the twins? Comment below. How do I get the? Comment below how to get the twins, because I have been doing a lot of this noble traveling things, and I can't get one. So I got mercenary 2 days ago, but I'm going to open this up too with you. Okay, that was the worst. Gonna have to pause right now. Okay, to be honest, it was nothing. Nothing at all, guys. What I just said. Plus, that thing was really bad. So, really, we are literally gonna be doing some stuff. At the end, I might play a different game. But join my guild, please. Also, like and subscribe. Otherwise, I won't be posting videos like this, or really ever. So, this is my guild, if you don't know what this game is. This is actually AFK Arena. AFK Arena is a game where you get a whole bunch of people, you can go AFK, you can get really good stuff. It's just amazing. Guys, you don't know how cool it is. Go get the game. Not sponsored. Go get the game and join my guild. Why wouldn't you? Right? Right? Anyways, if you can hear me, which you probably can't because it's so loud, what do? You fight, you get all this campaign stuff. You get really good stuff. Now, I'm going to be friending some of you guys on Fortnite. My username is BennyBlue4U1. And if you don't, that's fine. So we'll actually have to go again. Hey guys, again it was nothing. But we're gonna do this once again. If you guys are a fan of AFK Arena, comment down below AFKU. Just a letter U. And then if you do that, down below, if at least 3 people do that, I will, and this is a promise, so don't click off the video. Or if you look down in the comments, there will be a whole bunch of AFK Arena codes for you guys. But I'm only going to do that if 3 of you type AFK Arena U, the letter U. That's it. That's it. And then you actually get something that's really good. Okay. Well, either way, well, not either way, but to be honest, I think I should level up my heroes a lot. Or should be leveling up my heroes a lot. But anyways, we're gonna grab all this stuff. And friend me on AFK Arena if you want. Name's Yeet. Have Egg Dog on that. Real life Egg Dog. Haha. And by the way, I like Egg Dog's cut, G, bruh. Anyways, we're just gonna continue on. Ooh. That's a lot of money though. Not sure if I should get that. Yeah, who cares? Screw it. How do I have nothing? Who is that? Oh, someone's here. Gonna have to go again, but either way, still gonna play. Maybe. Okay. We're just gonna put this achievement on here. And then we're probably gonna end the video right here. Stuff like that. Yep, we're gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching this video. Just don't forget to like and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of your day.